Hello everyone, I'm Mizamur Rahman and today I'm going to present UPI Mule account detection platform. So as you can see at the left side we have the control panels and there's some little bit of informations like the detection engine is online or not, and the total account monitor, the the transactions and the graphs like how many nodes and edges we have, and active alerts like how many accounts we have, the critical section, the high risk section, the medium section and the low sections. Now moving to the some toggle parts, so you can also do the thing with the dark mode and the white mode. At the top we have the we can just switch from command control to risk analysis part, the integration part, the graph network part, the timeline, and the so on. I'm just coming those thing one by one. So in the command center, it's mean like it's a dashboard. It's a overall view in a one section. We like in the red part we have total four cards. So sorry, five cards. So in these five cards we are just showing the accounts like we have the critical accounts, high risk account, the medium account and the low account, and so on. And in this graph part we are just showing the risk score distribution. For an example, the from 0 to 9 it's a score, how we are generating the scores and other steps. I'm just quickly show you the things. So from 0 to 9 score, the 39 device, not device, nodes are coming to this part. From 10 to 19, 13 device is coming into this part. From on the right hand side, we have the risk level breakdown in the percentage level. And in the bottom, this is the detection signal heat map of 20 accounts like based on their signals like behavioral, graph, device, temporal and ML parts. Like the circle node UPI one behavioral signal is coming 100%. The graph is coming the graph is 70%. The device is 30%. Temporal is 0, and the ML part is 30. We just combining the five signals and we generating the scores. Now moving to the risk analysis part. So you just totally search here. You can just go through the tables. You can, everything is present over there. You can also search. For an example, I'm just searching circle underscore node underscore one. Okay. So you can also search the thing using the search bar. You can also filter the thing like I want to only show the low things. So low things will be there, like all the low things will be showing over there. And if you only focus the critical thing, the critical thing will be shown over there. So I'm just I want to show all the stuffs, and based on the score you can just you can use it like the score don't show the things below the 38. So you can just toggle these things over there. You can use the also use the sorting things like from high to low, low to high, and the five signals like I only focused on the ML part. Okay. Now moving to the this part, this is the account name, the score, the label. This is the five signals like behavioral signals, graph, device, temporal, ML, and the action block it immediately or freeze the account. If you click on it, so it will quickly show you the things like the risk level, the confidence, action, signals, and the most important thing is reasons why it's generating. And on the right hand side you can show the graphs like in a graph you can just quickly show the things like the how many means the how what is the score. This is present on the graph. You can also click on this and you can also show the graphs. Now moving, and also the thing, you can, if you click on the download CSV part, the CSV will be downloaded. Okay, now moving to the email insight part. So our system is used an ensemble approach. It's totally a unsupervised version. So here's in the left side, we just show in the graph, we are just showing the isolation forest versus z score. And if you hover the thing, so you can just quickly show the scores. On the right hand side, we have the ml versus rule based ml versus rule based things. So if you hover that, you can also show the stubs. And this is the feature contribution analysis, like we just using the behavioral part, graph, device, and temporal. What is the average scores and other stuffs. Now moving to the graph part, this is the most important and the visualizing part. So if you just click over there, so you can just render, hide, or render the graph. The node thing be like, if you want to show, like there's a too many nodes are available in the network, so I don't want to, this is too many clustered things, so I don't want to show too much of nodes. Like I want to show only the 20 nodes, so the 20 nodes will be present over there. And also the, we can show only the critical nodes. Okay, if you click on it, so it will only show the critical nodes only. And the higher to medium, you can also show the stuffs. For now I'm just selecting all graphs. Here's the search bar. So if I click circle node underscore 2, so let me little bit zoom it out, so it will be very helpful for me. So circular node 2, so this one, yeah, circular node 2. If you hover the thing over the node, it will totally show you the name, score, label sorry, and the signals part. Okay, and one more thing, if you hover the thing on the nodes, it will show you the things. And also if you hover the edges, it will show you the amount, and the direction will show you the sender and the receiver thing. And yeah, one more thing, the red is denoting the critical one. The orange one, let me find some orange. Yeah, the orange one is sorry, this one is orange, my bad, sorry. The orange one is showing the high score. The yellow one is representing the medium one, and the green one is showing the representing the low one. Now next, move to the timeline part. So in the transaction timeline, and the temporal analysis is present over there. So here's the, like the if sudden spike is coming, so it will be show over there. Like in February 10, in 12, a sudden spike is occurred. Not 10, it's 8. Yeah. And if you hover over there, you can just only you can also show the stuffs. On the right hand side, we can see the risk level transaction breakdown. So the y-axis representing the amount and the x-axis representing the time. So if you also hover the thing, you can also show the critical nodes, who is the sender, who is the receiver, how many amount they are sending each other, and also the time. And in the over there, we just try to present the heat map section. In this heat map, we just break down every hours, and represent the thing using the heat map. Now moving to the real-time API integrations. So there's the architecture part. And if you select some UPI, like for an example, let me cash out, this is the UPI name. And if you searching for the score, so it is response is 3.0, 13 millisecond, and the risk score is 0 and low. Let me find some high risk thing. So uh, the circular, okay, chain is also not bad. Let me check it out. Yeah, the risk score is 31 and also it's low. Now moving to the, this is the transaction simulation part. So into this transaction simulations, we can choose a sender, we can also choose a receiver, and we can also choose a amount. And this thing will show you like what the sender risk score, the risk level, receiver risk score, and receiver risk level. This is the API endpoints and the descriptions and the latency. And here's the some manual. So using that you can just integrate the things. In the about section, it's totally show you the things like how we integrate the thing, the how we taking the things, and how the total architecture and other stuff is present in the about section. uh, so that's it. And also those things is hosted, like you can go to the upi.mizano.in. The whole thing is hosted over there, the front end part. And on the other hand, you can also check out the backend part, that is upi backend.mizano.in. Over there you can just checking the versions, the services, and the security aspects, endpoints and other stuffs. And also if you want to go to the doc part, documentation part, so has the documentation part of that whole backend system. So has mentioned like what is the health is doing, and what is the parameter we are taking as a result, what we are trying to show. And in the post part, if you simulate the thing, what will be the, like there is no body requirement, what will be the outputs. If we get the for 200 response, what will be the output. If you get the 422 response, what will be the output. All those stuff is present over there. Thank you.